you were like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid.
The Seiko Prospex Automatic Diver is designed with a cushioned, gold-finished stainless steel case and accordion-style black silicone strap. Water-resistant to 200 meters, this highly functional diver has a matching black and gold rotating bezel and large Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The black dial displays a day and date calendar for everyday use. The Seiko Prospex Automatic Diver is water-resistant to 200 meters. Its angular stainless steel case and bracelet design features a black and orange one-way rotating bezel. The iconic orange dial displays a date calendar and large hands and markers, with Seiko's Lumi-Bright coating making it easy to read underwater. Seiko's 1968 automatic diver is reimagined in this 200-meter dive watch. It echoes the design of Seiko's first high-beat diver, but has a modern style with a thinner bezel and contemporary Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The stainless steel case and bracelet are constructed with super hard coating and a 3-fold clasp with push-button release.
When adventurer Naomi Uemura climbed to the summit of Everest, I was there. When he became the world's first person to reach the North Pole solo with a dog sled, I was there too. I've also shared adventures with many other challengers as they have fulfilled their ambitions. That wasn't a coincidence. They call me Prospex. The year was 1965. I was born as Japan's first diver's watch. Water resistance, shock resistance, legibility. Without these functions, a watch cannot be a true diver's watch. My creation was also a challenge in watchmaking. Just a few years later, I took a leap forward. I was reborn with a one-piece case that delivered greater water resistance. Around that time, Seiko received a letter from a professional diver. For a professional diver, it's vital to know the exact dive time. Seiko reinvented me so I could withstand the pressure of diving at 600 meters. My reliability at great depths has been verified in 3 joint tests with Jamstick. My performance has been tested in some of the harshest conditions on the planet by many of the world's